Frontline International presents a step-by-step guide on the used oil caddy. Our used oil caddy is an ideal low-cost oil management solution. It is the smart, easy solution for dumping used fryer oil. Let's take a look. First, open the fryer door and slide out the sediment basket. Remove the used oil caddy lid and set aside. Wheel the caddy into place under the fryer. Then reach under the fryer and release the drain valve. The used oil will begin to drain immediately into the caddy. Let the vat drain completely. Once the vat is empty, close the drain valve and wheel the caddy back out from the fryer. Replace the caddy lid and wheel the caddy to the UCO tank. Now it is time to load the used cooking oil from the caddy to the UCO tank. Connect the caddy hose to the UCO tank. Unwind the cord from the caddy and plug the cord into the UCO tank outlet. Now push Dispose on the UCO display. That's it. You're good to go. Our used oil caddy is perfect for tight quarters and older fryers. Low profile and heated grease options. Frontline makes used cooling oil disposal safe, easy, and hands-free.